What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so I do apologize for my children in advance. So I really was going for just, these nice, beautiful purple pink vibes. I don't really feel myself. I did use the I used the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics because he did do a huge restock on it, so I figured I would get a couple of tutorials up, that way in case anybody did purchase this they could go ahead and get some inspiration, some vibes. So I did use my Jawbreaker palette today. I also used my Jawbreaker highlight. I didn't do my face in this video, but my highlight is poppin', so yeah. Don't forget to like and to subscribe if you enjoy my videos. And definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link above. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. I'm going to be taking my P. Louise base in the shade number 2 to prime my eyelids as always. For this look, I'm going to be going in with my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to start by taking this shade right here called Raspberry. I'm going to take this and I'm going to start packing down the color all in my outer corner and crease area. So I'm just focusing on packing the color down, and then I will blend it out to make it easier to apply all the other colors. So now that I kind of have that set down and blended, I'm going to take this shade right here called Delicious, which is like the darkest color in the palette. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to first pack the color down and then blend it into that raspberry shade. And it's going to give me a nice purple color. So now that I kind of have like a nice purple mixture, next I'm going to take this shade right here called Fuck. So for this color, I'm just going to press it down before I blend it out because I really want the color to show through. And then now that that's nice and diffused, we lost the raspberry color. So I'm going to go back in with more of that. And I'm just going to start to work this together. And so basically I'm just going to go in between all three of those colors to get my blend nice. Okay, so now that that is pretty darn even, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease really quick and we can come back and finish. Okay, so now that my crease is cut, I just went ahead and used my blank canvas base. I'm going to take the shade Fuck. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to pack it down. I'm going to take Raspberry and just melt these colors all together. And I'm going to go in with Delicious to just deepen everything up. Next, I'm going to take the pink shimmer called Snack. Okay, so now I'm going to take my P. Louise Basic Brights, and this one is in Vivid Violet. I don't know, the shimmer is just like smeared so easily, so I'm, needed to cover up all my mistakes. So I'm just gonna take this purple and line it like that. And then I'm also going to take this purple and just line my lash line, but I'm not going to take it all the way out. I'm going to take the shade Gumdrop, this lilac like pastel purple, and I'm gonna set both the liner and that line. And then just for this line, I'm gonna take just a little bit of that blue and fade it into the purple so that way it all connects. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face really quickly, and then we can come back and finish the eyes. Alright, so I did my face and I went ahead and finished this eyeball besides my lash. So first things first, I'm going to take my Illuminati gel paint, and this one is in Electric Pink. Take this and I'm gonna put it in my waterline. And then I'm going to take that dark blue that we used on the top. It's called Delicious. And I'm going to just put this really close to my waterline. And then I'm going to take Raspberry, which is the red shade that we used. I'm going to smoke that out. Then going in with Fuck, the coral shade. I'm gonna kind of pack it into the front a little bit because I want it to be lighter right there. And then I'll just blend out the rest of that. I'm gonna take the shade Jawbreaker to highlight my inner corner and brow bone before I add my lashes. So just gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm just gonna do my lashes, throw my lip, and we are done. So my lash of choice today is the Beauty Creation lashes, and these ones are in the style Aesthetic. then so I'm going to let those dry and then press it together. So this is the look, the vibes. I'm gonna throw my lippy on and we could come and see the finished look. So here we have the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I don't really often do like the purples and the pinks, I feel. I mean, I guess maybe I do them more often than I think. I don't know. But I'm really feeling the vibes. I wasn't actually going to film this look, but then after looking at it, I was like, well. So yeah, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. My baby is getting really grouchy, so we're just gonna sign off right there and go ahead and roll the clip.